This is Steve with Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on this 2013 Kawasaki Teryx4. Oil is the lifeblood of your machine, and changing it, though easy, is very important. Kawasaki recommends to change your oil the first time at 20 hours or 120 miles, and then every 50 hours or 600 miles thereafter. This procedure applies to the 2010 to 2013 models, but it's very similar on the older Teryx and the newer Teryxes as well. To do this job, we are using our Tusk oil change kit. You'll need some basic hand tools, a good torque wrench, and an oil filter wrench. We have a lot of options here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, so pick which one works for you. You'll also need a copy of your OEM service manual for more information, proper procedures, and torque specs. We started by elevating our machine on some ramps. Now you don't necessarily have to do this, but we did it to gain better access for you viewers. But if you're going to do this, you need to do it in a safe manner. Next, let's start the machine and let it warm up for a few minutes. Now we need to remove the driver's side seat and dipstick access door so that we can remove it. Now that we've got that removed, let's go underneath and remove the access panel for the oil filter. Now let's place our oil pan underneath our oil filter. Now let's grab our oil filter wrench and remove the oil filter. Now let's remove the drain plug and drain all the oil. Remove the crush washer. Now while that's draining, let's go ahead and clean the area where you installed the oil filter. Just use a little contact cleaner and a rag. Now before you install the oil filter, take a little oil and put it on the oil filter seal. And make sure to torque your oil filter to 13 foot-pounds. Now clean your drain plug off and install your new crush washer. Now let's clean the area around the drain plug with the little contact cleaner on a rag and install the drain plug, torquing it to 15 foot-pounds. Now let's remove the oil pan and install our oil filter access panel. Now let's take some contact cleaner and a rag and wipe the area where your dipstick goes. Now this machine holds 4.2 quarts, but let's add 4 quarts first. We'll start it, let it run for a few minutes, and then shut it off and double check the oil level. Then we will just add the 0.2 quarts or what we need to get the oil level correct. Now let's check the oil level. Unscrew it and wipe off the excess, then screw it all the way back in, and then unscrew it, and that's how you get the accurate level. So you can see we need to add about 0.2 quarts. Now let's recheck the oil level, doing the same procedure. Now you want to be right in the middle of the crosshatch, preferably more on the higher side than the lower side. Now let's install the dipstick access cover and the seat. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Come check us out at RockyMountainATVMC.com for more parts, apparel, and accessories. And if you like what you see here, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Steve. We'll catch you next time.